Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can favorite a picture or video in picture gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And on the home screen, or in the app screen, open up the gallery app. Next, you want to go down and open up the photo or a video that you would like to favorite. So for example, this one right here. Then at the bottom here, tap on the favorite button. And that's it. That has now been added to your favorite album. Now you can continue to do this for other videos or photo. So let's say this one as well. So with favorites, it allows you to quickly. So I'm going to go back down here. So in gallery, I'm going to tap on here and then open up favorites. And this is how you can view all your favorites photos or videos. So these favorites allow you to quickly locate photos later on. So say if you have more than 10,000 photos in your picture gallery, sometimes it can be hard to go back and find the photos that you want to view later on. So that's why the favorite option is really great if you want to quickly later locate that photo. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.